guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to be playing this game.
Truth detector. Have you ever had a girlfriend?
Yes, I have.
Detector.
Truth detector.
App that can tell when.
So thanks. Okay. Okay, I might have to do the end just because nothing special. Same. We're at. Keep the milk. Okay. Okay, more one. Keep going. Stop. Same. I think you're up to something. Don't question it. Oh my god, bro. I'm actually gonna say it. So whenever you're on cats, you wanna go here. And then you can get any, like, only some of these. But there are only 21 cats. That's a lot. My brother has a cat boyfriend. And, Can I show you something? Can I show you how much I love them right here? The Smurf cat and these two. I'm going to get this one right here. After all. Okay. Anyway, stop playing. I have to be on the phone. Oh. Meow, 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 Oh my. Okay, guys. Well, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.